Hi, I'm Tia Claps. I'm a medical student, health and fitness expert, and former NCAA Division I collegiate athlete. Earlier this year in class, we were learning about amino acids and the benefits of supplementing with them. Some of those being increased muscle growth, increased metabolism, normalization of blood glucose levels. They have anti-inflammatory effects. They promote lean muscle mass and help maintain a healthy body weight. Amino acids are really cool. Learning all this stuff about them actually made me want to start supplementing with them myself. So I talked to my personal trainer, and they didn't know of any products. I looked online, the grocery store, health food store, and everywhere I looked, I just couldn't find a product that had amino acids in a high enough concentration to be significant. It was then that I started talking to my professors and fellow doctorate students, and we came up with the idea to make our own supplement. We did the research and gathered the best amino acids for muscle growth and recovery and put them into a delicious little block, and that's how muscle blocks were born.
Thank you, Tia. What are muscle blocks, and what is the science behind them? Let's take a closer look, beginning with muscle blocks.
Muscle blocks are a 100% natural protein supplement that have a non-sticky gummy candy consistency. They're soft, easy to chew, and easy to swallow. They come in several varieties and flavors, including everything from sugar-free to professional athlete formula that can be used as meal replacements. Muscle blocks are packed full of Tia's proprietary blend of amino acids. She likes to call her Extreme Recovery Amino Acid Blend. Each serving contains a whopping 6,000 milligrams of amino acid. Folks, that equates to around 30 grams of regular protein, plus they contain an additional 10 grams of protein on top of that.
Wow, that's like 40 grams of regular protein packed into one tasty serving. So let's look at some science and answer 3 important questions about muscle blocks. First, why is it that they don't taste like sidewalk chalk, like the other protein supplements you may have tried in the past? Question number 2, how can you pack so many muscle building and muscle maintaining amino acids into such a normal serving size? And finally, why use Extreme Recovery Amino Acid Blend rather than raw protein? When you eat raw proteins that are found in meats, dairy products, and nuts, it takes your body time and energy to break down these proteins into the essential amino acids, which ultimately repair and maintain your muscle. You may have heard the old saying that protein is the building blocks of muscle. Well, amino acids are actually the building blocks of protein. So with that being said, if raw protein were like unshelled peanuts, then the Extreme Recovery Amino Acid Blend found in muscle blocks would be like creamy peanut butter. And in a similar way, a spoonful of creamy peanut butter is the same as a whole handful of peanuts. This loaf of bread represents a healthy muscle. There are several reasons that a healthy muscle will deteriorate. For instance, when you work out, your muscle will suffer from microscopic fractures like this. You may injure a muscle in any number of ways. And finally, if your diet doesn't provide you with enough of the essential amino acids that your body requires to maintain healthy muscle, your body will actually consume your healthy muscle. Now, to repair the muscle, let's first try some peanuts. Well, that's not working too good, so maybe some crushed peanuts would be more helpful. Well, just not working so well. Now, let's try some creamy peanut butter representing the Extreme Recovery Amino Acid Blend found in muscle blocks. Now that is the way to repair and maintain a healthy muscle. Let's review. Why do muscle blocks taste so good? Well, similar to creamy peanut butter, all of the bad flavors, like the skins and the shells, have been removed, leaving nothing but the good stuff behind. Natural sweeteners and flavoring have been added to make this one-of-a-kind supplement taste satisfaction equal to candy. How can you pack the equivalent of 40 grams of protein into one serving size of muscle blocks? This is due to the fact that all of the unneeded fillers have been removed. And finally, why are muscle blocks better than raw protein? Because muscle blocks give your muscles exactly what they need when they need it. My recommendation is you start enjoying the muscle building and muscle maintaining properties of muscle blocks today, just like many professional athletes do already, including NFL, NBA, and Major League Baseball players.